What is a capacitive sensor, how does it work, and most importantly, how can we make one? In this video, we'll be answering those questions and making this little capacitive touch project. A capacitive sensor is created by taking a conductor and applying a very small voltage to it, which doesn't really do much, but when we bring in another conductor, like a human finger, the charge on that finger interacts with the circuit, changing the voltage going through it. We can detect this change in the same way we detect a button being pressed. Even better, we can make one super easily. First, we'll connect our Arduino's ports 2 and 4 to each other through a 1 mega ohm resistor. Then we'll take a wire off of port 2 and connect it to a paperclip. If we connect an LED to port 13 and ground, we can turn that LED on if the capacitance is measured as high enough, which we'll do using the capacitive sensor library. So whenever we touch the paperclip, the LED lights up, and when we move away, the LED turns off. But we can make our capacitive sensor out of any conductive material. For example, graphite. If we draw a connection point and then an absolutely stunning work of art on a piece of paper, making sure everything is connected and all of our lines are pretty thick, we can use the graphite drawing as our sensor. I'll twist two LEDs together in parallel and connect them back to port 13 and ground, and we can use them as our heroic character's eyes. Now, if we connect our paperclip in its spot, we can touch anywhere on the drawing to turn on the LEDs, and if we move off of it, they go out. But this capacitive sensor is just the start. Check out this video right here for a more complex project, a lightsaber.